friends. This week we're going to be talking more about shapes, but we're also going to talk about numbers. And so today I wanted to talk to you about numbers, and I wanted to play a little game. Well, sort of a little game. There was a game I was going to play, but you're not at the Aqua Room, and I'm not either. So we're going to instead do a song, and we're going to use this. Do you remember what this is called? Now, it might be a little tricky because usually there are numbers underneath it. Yep, you got it. It's a number line. We're going to use our number line because this week we're talking about numbers all the way up to the number 20, okay? So the way we're going to do this is Miss Julie's going to sing a little song. It's a really easy song, so once you get the hang of it, I want you to sing it with me. It's to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb, and it's going to involve numbers. So watch this, okay? Numbers, numbers, all around, all around, all around. Numbers, numbers, all around. Which number have I found? Friends, do you know what that number is? Did you say 11? That is the number 11. 2 ones make the number 11. Now, we're going to find where is number 11's home on the number line. Always, just like if we're reading, we always start on the left side, friends. And do you see these dots? Okay, so how many do we have? We have 11, that's right. So we're going to count 11 dots to find number 11's home on our number line. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number 11's home is right there on our number line, okay? Let's do it again. You ready to sing the song? Oh, Christian's pizza is ready. He had his timer set to make sure he did not overcook it. Now, let's get back to our song. Here we go. Numbers, numbers, all around, all around, all around. Numbers, numbers, all around. Which number have I found? Okay, I know all of you know this number. What number is it? Shout it out if you know it. If you said 5, pat your shoulder. Good job. Now, what's our next step? We've got to find number 5's home on the number line. He might be neighbors to Mr. Number 11. Let's find out. Same thing we're going to do. We're going to start over here, and we're going to count 5 dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5's home is here. Now I have a question for you, friends. Which one do you think is greater or bigger? Is number 11 bigger or number 5 bigger? What do you think? Number 11 is bigger because remember, we start over here and the further we go on our line, the bigger the number we get, right? All right, let's do it again. Here we go. Numbers, numbers, all around, all around, all around. Numbers, numbers, all around. Which number have I found? What number is it, friends? It is the number 12. You are right. The 1 and the 2 together make 12. Now, before we were counting the dots to find our home on the number line, right? But we know that 12 comes right after what number? Does 12 come right after number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12? No, that's silly, Miss Julie. Does 12 come right after the number 11? 10, 11, 12. So we didn't have to count all of our dots that time because we knew that 12 came right after 11. All right, let's do one more today and we'll keep practicing. Are you singing with me? Because I bet you know it by now. Numbers, numbers, all around, all around, all around. Numbers, numbers, all around. Which number have I found? This one is a big one, guys. What number is that? It's the 1 and the 9. That is number 19. You're right. We chose number 19. Now, that's a lot of dot counting for sure. So let's do it, okay? Let's do it together. Or friends, remember how we've been talking about adding on? Let's try this. Let's start from our number 12, okay? Let's start right there. Whoopsie. Oh, I pulled that right off, for heaven's sakes. That didn't work so well. Hold on, friends. There we go. Let's start from the number 12 because we're going to add on because we're trying to get to 19, right? So if we start all the way at the beginning, it'd be lots of counting, right? Which we can do that. But if we want to have a little trick, a little shortcut, we could start right here because we know after 12 comes 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And our 19 goes right there. Looks like Miss Julie did not put 20 dots. Uh-oh. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to have to add another dot because if we choose number 20, he won't have a home on our number line. I'll do that by our next visit, I promise. So, friends, you know what you could do? You could practice your numbers by singing the number song and then picking out a number and telling your mom or your dad or your big brother or sister or maybe even your little brother or sister what number you've chosen. You could even teach them the number song. I'm sure they would love it. All right, we'll come back and do this some more later this week, but be practicing. All right, bye-bye.